Hello and welcome to Car Lube TV. In this short video I'm sitting in my BMW E93 M3. I've got a DCT gearbox here. It's currently stuck in park, but I need to move the car without starting it. So I'm going to show you how you can take it out of park and pop it into neutral. First of all, we just need to remove this boot here, and we can see just under here there is a little plastic clip which we need to move back, and if we can just get the screwdriver in there, that will move that out the way. Now what we do is we stick the screwdriver in that part there and manually move it down, and we can hear, and you'll hear it click when it goes down there, and we can see that that has gone into neutral now. The car can be towed and pushed manually without it being in park. If you do turn the ignition off, you will need to repeat this process though. Okay guys, hope this was helpful. If it is, drop it a like. Hello and welcome to Car Lube. In this video I will show you how to remove the under armrest phone cradle and replace it with a simple tray to give you some usable. In this episode I will show you how to top up the coolant on your BMW 3 Series. Although my car is an M3, the process is exactly the same throughout the ranges from 2006 to 2013.